How do you do?
I'm doing very well.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure is all mine.
How have you been?
I've been doing well.
Are you doing well?
Yes, very well, thanks.
How is everything going?
Everything is going fine.
May I greet you?
Yes, of course, please.
Good afternoon, Mr. Smith.
Good afternoon to you.
How's your day been?
It's been going fine.
How do you feel today?
I feel very good.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I surely am.
What a nice morning.
Yes, it's truly beautiful.
Are you enjoying today?
Yes, very much so.
How is your health?
My health is good.
Good evening, Madam Clark.
Good evening to you.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much, you?
Yo, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks.
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been ages.
What's going on?
Just chilling around here.
Sup, bro?
All good, you?
Where you been lately?
I was out traveling.
Catch you later, buddy.
Yeah, see you soon.
See you next time.
Alright, take care.
Talk to you later.
Sure, no problem.
Bye, take it easy.
Blue friend.
Peace out, man.
Peace, brother.
Take care, okay?
I will, thanks.
See you tomorrow, okay?
Sure, see you then.
Later, dude.
Later, Tiff.
I'm out, bye.
Bye, take care.
May I introduce myself?
Yes, please go ahead.
I'm John Smith.
Nice to meet you.
This is Mr. Lee.
Hello, Mr. Lee.
Meet our director, sir.
It's a pleasure, sir.
Allow me to introduce you.
Thank you very much.
What's your full name?
I'm Thomas Miller.
Where do you work?
I work in finance.
What's your position here?
I'm the project manager.
Have we met before?
I don't think so.
Are you new here?
Yes, just joined recently.
What do you do?
I teach business law.
Who is your supervisor?
Mr. Daniels is.
Which firm are you from?
I'm with Global Tech.
How do you do?
I'm doing great.
Are you the consultant?
Yes, that's correct.
Hey, I'm Jake.
Hey, Jake, I'm Lisa.
This is my buddy Tom.
Nice to meet you.
Who's that guy?
That's my cousin.
Do you know Sarah?
Yes, she's cool.
Where's your friend from?
He's from Canada.
Meet my best friend.
Hello, nice to meet.
I'm new around here.
Welcome to the area.
What's your name?
I'm Mike Brown.
Who are you with?
I'm with John.
Is she your sister?
No, just a friend.
Are you both related?
No, just classmates.
What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
You from around here?
Yeah, born nearby.
Who invited you?
Sarah did actually.
You two know each other?
Yeah, since college.
What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
Do you know time?
Yes, it's 6:30.
Is it lunchtime?
Almost 10 minutes left.
Got the current time?
It's exactly 3:45.
What's the time now?
It's 4:30.
Time for the meeting?
Yes, let's go now.
Are we late already?
A few minutes late.
How late is it?
It's nearly midnight.
What hour is it?
It's 11 sharp.
When does class start?
At 9 a.m.
When does movie begin?
At 8:30.
Time to leave now?
Yes, it's 10 o'clock.
What's the exact time?
It's 12:05 p.m.
Is it morning yet?
Yes, it's 6:15.
How much time left?
Only 5 minutes left.
Hello, who is this?
It's Mark speaking.
Can I speak now?
Yes, go ahead.
Is this John's phone?
Yes, speaking.
May I call later?
Sure, no problem.
Is she at home?
No, she's out.
What's your number again?
It's 555-1212.
Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Am I speaking right?
Yes, I hear you.
Who are you calling?
I'm calling Sarah.
Line is not clear.
Let me call again.
Please hold the line.
Okay, I'll wait.
Call me back later.
All right, will do.
Is this a good time?
Yes, I'm free now.
Phone is not working.
Try restarting it.
Can you call tomorrow?
Yes, at 9 a.m.
Can you repeat that?
Sure, here it is.
Say that once more.
Okay, listen again.
What did you say?
I said hello.
Please repeat your name.
I'm Robert Miller.
Can you speak louder?
Yes, no problem.
What was that word?
It was fantastic.
Spell that for me.
Fantastic.
Can you slow down?
Sure, I'll speak slowly.
Didn't catch that part.
I said come early.
Say the sentence again.
Meet me at 10.
What did she say?
She said goodbye.
Repeat that last bit.
Okay, here it is.
One more time, please.
All right, no problem.
Can you clarify that?
Yes, I'll explain more.
Sorry. Say again, please.
Its train leaves early.
We met again, wow.
What a surprise.
You're here too?
Yes, just arrived.
We work together again?
What are the odds?
You live nearby too?
Yes, same building.
Is this real coincidence?
Totally unexpected, right?
Same dress again?
That's so funny.
Met twice this week?
Must be fate.
You were there too?
So
Again, same schedule?
can't believe it.
What a coincidence, right?
Absolutely amazing.
You like pizza too?
My favorite food.
Same birthday month?
That's so cool.
You know him too.
Yes, small world.
We met last year.
Yes, it's cool.
Same name, really?
Yes, unbelievable.
What's the weather today?
It's warm and sunny.
Is it raining now?
Yes, take an umbrella.
How's the weather outside?
It's very cold.
Is it snowing yet?
No, not yet.
What's the forecast today?
Cloudy with light rain.
Will it rain later?
Yes, around 4 p.m.
Is the sun shining?
Yes, very brightly.
Temperature now?
Around 20 degrees Celsius.
Is it windy outside?
Yes, quite breezy.
What's tomorrow's forecast?
Rain with strong winds.
Is it getting warmer?
Yes, slowly rising.
Will it snow tomorrow?
Likely in the evening.
Is it humid today?
Yes, very sticky.
Is the weather clear?
Yes, sky looks good.
Storm coming soon?
Yes, be prepared.